Rumors about Samsung's next generation high-end smartphone have been all over the place recently, and one of them suggests that Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is getting an industry-changing fingerprint reader. Today, we'll fill you in on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra's anticipated release date and price, and the lightning-quick fingerprint sensor.
Electrifying.
So let's get into it. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is one of the many smartphones to feature an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. In 2018, Qualcomm debuted the 3D Sonic sensor, which Samsung subsequently included beneath the display of the Galaxy S10. Its functionality, however, could have been more consistent at best. The following year, the US-based firm announced the release of the 3D Sonic Max, an improved ultrasonic fingerprint scanner capable of performing a precise scan across all 3 dimensions of a fingerprint. The 3D Sonic Max fingerprint reader was seen on the Galaxy S21. Unlike the initial iteration, which only allowed customers to scan one fingerprint, the 3D Sonic Max allows users to scan 2 fingerprints simultaneously. Now, Samsung's next-generation high-end smartphone, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, will include an even better fingerprint scanner. Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max Ultrasonic. As far as the speculations go, an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner from Qualcomm's 3rd generation will be present on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It could be an entirely new type of fingerprint reader or the 3D Sonic Max sensor Qualcomm introduced earlier this year. A leaker called Alvin has predicted that the Galaxy S23 Ultra's fingerprint scanner will be a Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max Ultrasonic. If this is accurate, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will feature the world's largest and most sophisticated fingerprint reader. We'll explain later on why this is so and how the Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max Ultrasonic fingerprint reader works, so stay tuned. According to Qualcomm, its new fingerprint sensor is speedier than previous generations. We can expect how fast it will be when we compare it to the Vivo X80 Pro, which already uses it. Expected S23 Ultra features. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has been tipped as one of the smartphones which could potentially dominate the market next year. Before we get into details about the fingerprint reader, let's look at other improvements coming out on the Galaxy S23 Ultra that suggest it's going to revolutionize the market. Samsung is rumored to bring with the Galaxy S23 series a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with 2200 nits peak brightness, which would be the brightest display in the market. This 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 camera sensor is also the highest pixel quality we've seen yet in the smartphone department. There are also features like the newest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, an octa-core Exynos 2100 chipset, along with 12GB RAM and emergency messaging via satellite communication. If you want more details regarding these features, subscribe to our channel and watch our full review on these features. Fingerprint sensor design. The Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max reader footprint size is 20mm by 30mm and approximately 10 times that of the 3D Sonic Gen 2 scanner found in the Galaxy S21 Ultra and Galaxy S22 Ultra, which measures in at 8mm by 8mm. The Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max reader is employed in the iQ009 Pro and the Vivo X80 Pro. The 3D Sonic Max fingerprint reader can be seamlessly built into the underside of a smartphone screen, contributing to the device's overall sleek design. Its anti-spoofed ultra-thin 0.2mm sensor is widely compatible with flexible OLED panels, so we know at the very least complements the Galaxy S23 Ultra's design, while also protecting it from spoofing. We'll talk more about the anti-spoofing feature very soon, so stay tuned. How does it work? Qualcomm claims that its 3D Sonic Max Ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor is the largest of its kind in the world. So how exactly does it function then? Qualcomm's 3D Sonic Max transmits an ultrasonic pulse on the fingertips to read 2 fingers simultaneously using sound waves. An accurate 600 square millimeter replica of the scanned fingerprints is created by 3D pulse reflection, allowing for faster and more reliable security. It's 5 times as precise as the 3D Sonic Gen 2 and supports 2 fingers simultaneously, making it a more robust security option. It streamlines fingerprint registration to the point where a single tap is all that's required. Also, according to Qualcomm, the sensor delivers high performance across a wide range of operating conditions: dry, wet, and even contaminant exposure. Anti-spoofing security. From the rumors, the fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy S23 Ultra will likely be the most cutting-edge solution currently available for protecting a user's identity. Unlike optical solutions, which leave users vulnerable to spoofing, 3D Sonic's acoustic-based technology accurately replicates the distinctive characteristics of each user's fingerprints. Anti-spoofing is integral to 3D Sonic, making it fully compliant with the strictest mobile security requirements. For the user, this means you can rest easy knowing your data is safe because the fingerprint sensor of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is so accurate that even a snapshot or mold of your finger won't fool it. So that's something to look forward to. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this feature.
Let's smash it!
Release date and price. Now, although some industry insiders have speculated that Samsung will bring the release of the Galaxy S23 Ultra forward a few weeks to the middle of January, the weight of evidence points to February as the actual release month. Sources close to Samsung have reportedly confirmed that the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Ultra would be unveiled at a Galaxy Unpacked event in early February. We are anticipating around the 9th. As far as cost is concerned, it's safe to assume that the price of this Ultra phone will be at least $1,200. However, given that its main competitor, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, begins at a more reasonable $1,100, we would welcome a price cut.
Anyway, I'm saving up.
The Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max ultrasonic fingerprint sensor smartphone hints at Samsung's resolve to give competitive advantages over its rivals. Together with the other insane features and the rumors, it wouldn't be surprising to see the Galaxy S23 Ultra dominate the market next year. Our next video will combine all the rumors and incredible features of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, set to release in 2023. So, if you're interested in learning more, make sure you watch that too.